Welcome back, guys, to our latest video. I really hope that you like these videos. I hope they're helpful. If so, consider giving it a like, giving us a subscribe, and ring the bell to make sure that you always get updates when we post new videos. What you're going to see in this clip is a serious fault at the quick fit crossing, the classic quick fit crossing, and you're going to see the person going round a roundabout more than they needed to. They thought they were in the wrong lane, but they weren't. They were fine, but no actual harm in going round if you want. So other than those two faults, it was a pretty good drive. A lot of nice stuff here. So sit back, stay tuned, and hopefully you'll get something out of this video. Hi Neil. So this is us. We're making our way up. The instruction is to turn right at the lights. The learner does the right thing by not entering the junction here, letting the car in front do their thing. Now, the light changes, fair enough, no problem. Sit and wait until the next light cycle. Now the lights are getting ready to change now. So we get the green light and they quite correctly start moving forward. But there's three cars coming towards us. White car, red car. I had to put the brakes on there. All three of those cars has priority, so you need to move into the middle section and let them go first, and then you make your way around the back. Serious fault. So this is where they're coming onto the roundabout, they're turning right, third exit. They should be starting to push out to the outside lane here, but they don't. They've still got their inside lane, the right signal on. So instead of switching over, which wouldn't be safe, they just go round the roundabout again. No problem. Keep going round, and this time when they come to the moving out point, which is here, they do their check left, they move the car over, and they switch it to a left signal. So no real problems here. Let's call it a minor fault just for planning. Nothing serious. Now we've got a bit of country road driving here. There was no faults recorded on this. A little bit of advice given to keep out from the left side a little bit more. And keep watching towards the end of the video, that's where you'll find the reversing exercise. So we've had a really nice reverse manoeuvre here, pulling up on the right, reversing back. Overall, good standard of driving throughout the whole drive, throughout the whole test. Unfortunately, the quick fit junction was the main problem today.